All right, this is a Nasdaq 100 futures NQ continuous contract, and this is the daily time frame. And I'm kind of looking like, what the hell is going on? So, what is concerning to me is that they have not cleared the October highs. Again, this is October 25th. This is the daily chart. Now, I usually use the weekly chart, but we're already one. This is the second day I had a huge ramp up. But if you took like half of this, uh, half of this move or half of this range, it is a little bit above that. And if you took half, excuse me, of this move down, it's just right there. This is a doji candle, so they need to regain a lot of this price action right here because they had a huge move up, flush down, then huge move up. But this is very sideways. Now, it could continue up, and we do have, again, we've put in the newsletter numerous times that we had an upside target of this. But this price action is kind of corny. And the reason why I'm saying that, again, they have not broken above the previous October highs. All the other major indexes have. And that's what's kind of like, what the hell is going on with the Nasdaq? So you have a lot of this movement in the high beta names with Amazon, Google, all these names. And let's see if we could just look at them quickly. We have Google making lower highs, but on the daily, again, I don't use the daily, but I'm just looking at, something kind of confused me. And I said, this one, this is doji. Please don't come back anywhere halfway into this previous candle for Amazon. This is the target. So this was the target that I had. The price level stated out before, and it rolled at that. It got a little bit above it, but rolled back below. You also had who else did you have? You had Amazon, Google, Netflix. Kind of moving really up. But again, going back to all this price movement, don't let them kind of fool you and let you not see that, okay, if they break below this let's say this level right here, let's just use something very simple and say that they break midpoint of this last candle here. This last candle here, that puts 47.49 as the midpoint of that candle. A break of this low wouldn't really concern me because it's only, such a small, tight doji. But look at all the indexes. Again, people look so much into, again, YM, which I don't want to look that much into because I feel like it's all Goldman that is really launching this thing up in the financial sector, which, again, using the components of the Dow, Goldman, GS, JP Morgan, a lot of those are heavy hitters in there. Again, but we'll go look on the weekly so you can kind of see exactly what I am talking about on this YM. So again, they're overextended. The volume is starting to get huge move up, but then starting to move down. But this correlates with GS. Goldman's one of the heaviest component out of those 30 stocks. You have the ES. At least it's coming towards some previous highs. And we have our target set here. Again, it's making at least above this October high. This September high. I'm bugging out. The August high, excuse me. But this other one, look at all those different indexes I just showed, and then look at the NQ. I'm like, this is, it had a bearish candlestick engulfing, didn't break below the second low. And again, we'll look at these price levels to see if they're going to crack. But when I broke it down to the daily, again, I try to make sure I look at the big picture first. I'm like, all right, they're still holding these lows, but don't let them get anywhere close to this election low at all, which puts that into this range here. Again, they tapped it, and then we had this from newsletters way before. So just keep in mind that these lower highs, I'm just watching. Again, you could say higher lows too, cool, but it should be over these highs, in my opinion. It should be, with all the movement in this index, something's like, not sure. So again, keep that on your radar. Again, I don't like the dip, quote unquote dip, for anything. Again, this hasn't gotten oversold territory for me. So I'm just, again, I have my price levels I go, and it can go without me. That's cool. But this one, something. You know, a lot of movement on the Dow names again with Goldman. Got a lot of movement on those high beta names, flat ETFs. I mean, excuse me, flat indexes. You have a lot of beta names moving. So keep a little caution there, man. Just MaximusAnalysis.com, and just keep an eye out on that. Don't let them lull you to sleep. Again, we'll see what happens at the close of this week. But this is, even still, this is just chop, not a dip per se. So we'll continue to watch. Take care.